Alright, these are a little past due to be planted, but nice, healthy, strong transplants from seed. These are cherry tomatoes. We're going to get 6 in this row right here where I have the plastic lifted up. I actually have this irrigation line connected for this row as well. I'm going to plant these and cover it back up with the plastic, and we'll see how it look. I'm gonna actually put these T-posts in the ground. I need to find one more to put in the middle, and I'll have these coming across the top. I needed to use that for some stuff I got going on over there, but I don't know, we'll see. So maybe I put these on the top to give them something to climb on, but I gotta go to the old garden and scavenge. Oh, cat dookie land. Used to be so pretty in here and kept up. All right, that's a T-post. Now I need a T. What is this? A T that fits on top of one of those poles there for the middle T-post, if I can find it. Found it in my miscellaneous bucket. Strawberries looking pretty good. Ooh, look at that. Dark. Yeah, I know that one tastes good. Oh, look at that. Look at these. Now we got close to everything we need. I know the distance of these two combined may not cover the entire length of this, so I might have to go to Ace Hardware and make something work. Smart way to do this is don't stand it up first. Stand that on, then stand it up. Get it about where you want it. Start bamming. I hate that, this twist. I think the top of this got some type of shape that makes it turn. That's gonna be good enough. It ain't gonna be perfect. This is 220 all the way across, 220 inches, so 110 roughly is the middle. Oh. All right. Now take some compost, kind of just dump it along the row. You ain't gotta be too fancy with it, guys. Just, oh Lord. Wear boots. Won't be like me. Wear boots. Kind of just spread it even. Break it up a little bit. I gotta get rid of all of this. It's gonna be a problem. All right. Now we're ready to plant. Plant spacing, just how it ended up working out. This is going to be here, for example, is going to be one planted here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the second one will be planted there. If I continue all the way down, that'll give me even spacing on all 6 of those plants. So that's how we're going to do it. It's better to let your seedlings dry out a little bit before you plant, and all you gotta do is squeeze the sides, kinda And if you have a good enough root system that's going to hold all the soil, they'll pop out easy like that. See that? We're going to lay them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Boom. So now we got even spacing on all of our tomatoes. So let's get them in. Thing you want to do to prep your tomato for planting, it's good practice to plant your tomato deeper than what it is now. So instead of having the soil line right here, maybe I'll have it like up here. So what you want to do is get rid of these leaves, get them away from the soil, because these leaves will mold, and that mold will spread to the plant. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So, you know, I just come up in here. I wanted to show you guys the drill auger thing that I have, but I can't get my drill right now, unfortunately. So we're just gonna have to, you know, use your hands or use your shovel. Come right here. And that's pretty good. Some people like to plant them a lot deeper than that. I mean, I got drip irrigation. I'm not gonna have a moisture issue at all. This is just for more root development, but at the end of the day, it's gonna always have the amount of water it needs. Also, when you plant, you can definitely put like a granular fertilizer down if you want. I'm trying to go away from granular fertilizers just because I want to lean on the compost as much as I possibly can, and liquid fertilizer that I can run through my drip irrigation system. But nothing is wrong with granular fertilizer at all, especially organic. But when you got a garden as big as mine, buying fertilizer all the time gets very expensive. So I just want to see what I can do without it. What's crazy is I don't even eat cherry tomatoes. I'm growing these for a lot of people who are watching right now, actually. I only grow tomatoes to make spaghetti sauce. I don't do nothing else with them besides sell them or give them away. So if you see me eating cherry tomatoes, somebody threatened my family. That's what happened. So I do not eat tomatoes. Now we got these planted. One thing you want to do before covering this stuff up is verify that your emitters are working. Sometimes fertilizer can get clogged in here, and it's okay. All you have to do is just kind of scratch it. But if you don't scratch it, water will never come out. So we're going to turn this on and verify that these emitters are emitting. Always install a valve before any run, because you never know. All right, we're getting water from these emitters. Put that here. Got my line kinked off there. But we have problems. See that right there? That mist? That is from cats running across when I'm coming out. When I come out of the house, and their claws dig into the irrigation line. That's what that's from. So we're gonna patch that up. Not really bad. Not a real bad leak though. Now that we got that taken care of, we're gonna put our plastic down, cut holes through it, pop the tomatoes through. That'll make sure the weeds are not trying to take over, and the cats don't think this is a new litter box. Try to do this right. Come on, don't destroy that tomato plant. Probably would have been better if I cut through the plastic to plant instead of planting and then trying to get the plastic on top. So take note of that. Take note of my mistake. Stretch it, pull it down. Then I'll have some more slack. There we go. All right, now time to get the tomato plants through this and make it look a little better. That's pretty much it. Drip irrigation running under there. I got this emitter out so I can see what's going on. Plastic down. Not gonna use my staples on this. Just hold it down with some bricks in this pipe. I will address the trellising later, but these are gonna take off. And I got room in between to pop some other stuff in between if I want, so this is how I do it, guys.